after all these times.
Don't it? But
there are things somebody's supposed to do and something there. I'm just glad to actually have the time now.
Yeah.
No, sir. The only reason I invited you, my God, we're sick. But I did one with Ken already. Yeah.
I watched it.
Right. So as I said in that video, I'm bringing people on who I trust. I don't know if I said it in the video. Who I trust with my face. Alright guys, so I'm here with Monique. Shots. So she's at my house. She's another makeup artist I'm featuring here on my channel. Is that husband?
Yeah.
Oh, so her husband is watching television outside. Turn down a little bit and she can probably go and talk to them.
So hi guys, my name is Monique and I'm Mon2QuteMUA on Instagram and the owner of Mon2QuteBeauty. I'm there in another place and just gonna have some fun and just do a really fun look under it today. It's really an honor to be here. So yeah, I really hope that you enjoy the video and yeah. So I know that Lyric has oily skin, but I'm not really a primer person. That weird, but I'm not a primer person.
Yeah, okay, so why?
Because I haven't had good experiences with primer.
Oh.
Whenever I use it, I don't know, it just doesn't sit well. But I'm using the makeup primer that's in the center, and then I'm going to moisturize the rest of the face because that's how I do it.
Okay. The makeup primer is excellent, Diana. What? It comes like makeup magnesia.
Yes. Remember, you get everybody who from makeup magnesia in Jamaica.
I'm not telling you. And then makeup magnesia, when we leave it to the vanity cream, I said,
yes, so I had like 2 bottles of vanity.
But it's not off of here.
I still have my old bottle of vanity.
And also, I go back to, but when I tried using it a couple years ago, right as I have Jonathan, the whole of my face pure fine bump. So I don't know because my hormones are just kind of settling, or if I really just developed an allergy because I had Jonathan.
Maybe.
More than likely for true. The more I try it back still, because
yeah, that's even though I never know nothing about makeup. But it was really like you got everybody hooked on those. That makeup magnesia and the vanishing cream and everything. That was you.
Wow.
That was you.
So how long have you been doing makeup?
Professionally now 2 years. I would say. Apart from the time that I used to watch a video them hard like back in the day 8 years ago.
Oh, professionally?
Professionally, yeah.
Okay.
So long time, but I never do nothing. I put my powder and I go on and pencil. You know what?
Yo, Prisma, I want to do a tutorial. Oh my God, you know, Silverstone Plaza clocked
yes.
I want to go to some bags some makeup.
Listen.
I know some show up makeup. My girl, Prisma. I must say, when I see my face red. Because of the color I have on my face. I'm like a lip gloss. I'm going to roll a lip gloss.
And the Miss Rose eyeshadow palette.
Jesus God.
That's what I did for my graduation photo.
Oh
like,
my God.
Christmas powder and, you know.
Yes. These young people don't know what we're talking about. These people who just grew up in the Becca age and the Too Faced age, those brands were non-existent. And back in the day, it was literally only MAC. I only knew about MAC. And then Sigma, for brushes in Sigma had come out. And then Sedona lace right after Sigma.
You were Sedona lace.
Jesus.
You were Sedona lace free.
What?
So I just use Embryolisse moisturizer right around the perimeter, and now I'm going to spray with the Smashbox Photo Finish setting primer.
I really want you guys to go onto Monique's page and look at her work. I feel like, as I said, and I said it again, you say if you're good at what you're doing, as I have no problems featuring it on my channel. But you have to understand that I have to kind of trust them. I'm not hyper or nothing, but I'm afraid of people doing my makeup because I like makeup to be done a certain way. Yeah. So if I invite it on my channel, it means that no, mama, that girl is bad. And I want to showcase other Jamaicans. I mean, I see the comments that you guys leave on the Ken video, and I wouldn't be careless. I don't care how you feel. I don't care how you don't like my brows. I think me give a shit. I do not give a shit. Because I don't know what's again bad. Money when I see my face, it's like a shell. And there are other people out there who deserve this kind of notoriety and recognition.
Alright, so I'm just testing out the Revlon foundations to see which one. I'm going to use it in the center of the face and then use the cream around the perimeter. Because black opal is like my thing. Another thing from Lyric. You know, like black opal is...
So you're using liquid in the center and cream around? Wow. I'm learning so much from these girls. I'm excited. Oh, so tomorrow I have an appointment with, Ash makeup studio?
Yes.
With her, and then Thursday I have with Danielle. You know Danielle anyway?
Yes, I know Danielle.
Gosh, I'm so excited. I'm excited.
You know who I really want you, but I don't know if you get access to that person. I know you love Makeup Goddess, Samantha.
Yes, is she here?
I think
she's not here.
I think she's in Mandeville.
You know, so I welcome to say she migrate, I swear to God, must have some migrate, man.
Yeah, that's what I thought, but then I think I don't know. I saw something the other day and she's in Mandeville, I guess.
What?
But I'm not sure. I guess I can reach out and find out.
Yeah, man, definitely.
Because I know you love her.
She is really good. She put the nails down a lot of God.
My nails are not done. My nails are not done.
Did you hear me chatting in a Ken video? So I see at the hotel and face beat to the gods. But it was like, it was
and then you know what? Hey,
you started the makeup at what, 3 did it say?
Lyric, that makeup was on from the night before. Okay?
No, money.
It was color stay. It was on from the night before. Me just come from like party like 4 o'clock. I just went home, take a 1 hour nap, get up back bed.
Man, I believe you. Really? Her face looks, your face look fresh. I never used no primer?
No.
No, money. Jesus Christ.
I don't know. Primer, no. It sits better on my. I don't know if you have that same sort of.
Well, it depends, because I realize that even with the Fenty Beauty we need to swear by, for some clients I can't use it on the face, because when I do, it's, excuse me, starts to separate.
And you're like, what happened?
Yeah, so what I find, what I have in my kit now, I just keep, the makeup primer is good, but I keep the Sacha Cosmetics primer in my kit because it mattifies. I got a mattifying primer irrespective of skin type. Just ensure that I moisturize prior. Then I use a mattifying primer, because it's, I don't know. The liquid primers, they get me sometimes. I can't depend on them all the time. The lotiony primers.
Alright, so I'm gonna go in with Karab. I depot all of my black opal foundation so I can have everybody one time.
Oh, nice. And then you're working from a palette thing. Oh, nice.
So I'm just gonna go in with Karab and I'm just gonna go where I stopped with the Revlon.
Yeah. Wow.
I'm just gonna give a skin light finish around the edge.
So professionally 2 years. Have you done any celebrity clients?
D'Angel.
Ooh, nice.
Is my recent.
You posted her?
Yeah.
Yes.
D'Angel is my recent. I also do Talop. Talop is like, you know, one of those girls in the dance hall that's well known dancing, and she's now a recording artist. So just 2 persons.
Nice. So what's your end game for you with makeup? Do you want to continue being a makeup artist? Do you want to teach, or is it just a hobby for you? Just like want to make some money on the side? What's your end game with it?
Well, alright, makeup for me, because I don't know. A lot of persons don't know, but I'm actually a trained visual artist. So
what that means?
Paint and him something for real, right? So
that's why
I have a degree in visual arts from Michael. So I really love painting and all of that. So for me, makeup is almost like, you know, painting. And I love to do portraits, I love to draw persons and whatever. So doing makeup kind of just pulls everything together for me. So I'm really passionate about it. I don't know, it's something that's really like, and I mean, it all started with you in essence, because I was at Michael, I was really interested in makeup, but I didn't know what to do. And I used to watch all of your videos. When I say all of your videos, I mean the one where you used to live at your grandmother's house on the bunk bed. I used to buy the little $10 corn on the road. From them days there, right? So, from them days there.
Oh my goodness.
Right? So, you know, for me, it's like, I don't know what to say about it, but it's just, it's not just a job for me.
Yeah, it's more than that.
You know?
Oh my God. So you want to do this for the rest of your life?
I want to transition into prosthetics. so I want to do makeup.
Jesus, stop. You guys, I've seen her work. She did the from Spider-Man, the song with the long tongue. Wow. I saw it and I was just like, wow. Me can that shit. I cannot. I'm not ashamed. I cannot do it. But her work, really. You never did one Grinch look? No. You do one black eye something look?
Yeah, I think so. I think not the Grinch, but I did so like a skull type of thing before.
My messy would be like my 1 year black hair, I don't know.
Oh, the violence against women thing, the interception.
Oh my god, it must have been that. It must have been that. Yes. Your work, you're very versatile. So that's anyway, please check out her Instagram page, Shabbat Blood Cleanse, and she'll be featuring a few of her products on me. Yes?
Yes.
Okay.
It's about
I must look up or just look normal?
Just the normal.
And not that can settle. Is it no, they're just relax? I'm sorry.
Yeah, because you're doing what you expect the clients to do.
Yeah! Miss, look up, please. Why should I look up? I'm under, yeah. It's true. This is what? Toffee?
Fun.
Oh, fun.
Okay.
So, you know, say a couple months ago, I walk a little fun. I'm not going to find none like it. So,
yeah.
I had to buy toffee, tan, some weird colors, warm honey, some weird colors.
Dry down a little. And then I do brows last. So, it's dry down a little bit.
Alright.
So I'm going to contour the edges a little. Wow. With my favorite shade from Black Opal, that's Ebony Brown. Ebony Brown? Wait.
Right, yeah. That's okay. Talk about that. Talk about being in your zone and just working, because some people think that you shouldn't be on somebody's face for half an hour, for 20 minutes. And I can understand that if you're not a makeup artist. But when you're in the zone and your canvas or your client continues to inspire you, me don't a face in a 45 minutes. I mean, depending on next 15, 20. Yeah. Because I'm just finding little things like, oh, I can do this, oh, I can do that. Because it's like they're speaking to you and they don't say shit.
Do you get excited like when you're doing the face, like you just say, girl? Like
yes, I'm a step up. What you do? I'm a step, girl, I gotta look up.
Right. And the client is like, yeah, alright.
I really do. And then that excites them, like, thank God my face at least I look good. Because none of my clients their face to me done enough. So it's all based on their reaction. So one thing I do, I'm very self-conscious about is the lips. Because I love like pale pink lips and stuff like that, and nude lips. So whenever I start the lips, that's the only where I give them the name, I pull it down. So look for your mouth. I said, how does this color? She said, oh, to this, to them, I identify and I'll change it. That's the only thing whenever I do makeup, I find I'm a little bit handicapped with.
Really?
Yeah, man, just the lips, because of how I always it to my preference. So at the back, I don't know if they even like it. So and what I tell I used as a marker is how they're responding. Like if they put them and then not let them go so. You know, so let me say shit, we need to change it. Yeah. I'm gonna change it. Yeah, man, yeah.
This is the part that a lot of clients don't want to wait on. They don't want you to blend. And I don't get the point of paying a makeup artist and make them do their job. You know, I'm gonna get it. You know, you better just buy $100 labor or something on the show. Because you pay a makeup artist is supposed to wait for them to like do everything and bring everything together, put everything together. They don't want you then. When you slap on and go away.
Because you take too long for them face.
You take too long. And you pay. Pay it.
Babe? Yeah, yes, we can come. Jeremy said we can come. He's inside. Oh. Jeremy said we can come. Hi, Jeremy.
Hi.
Jeremy, money, Jeremy.
Nice to finally meet you, Jeremy.
Nice to finally meet you as well.
And that's where I was born, was saying.
Manners and respect, man.
Ooh, the pressed or the loose?
Loose always with powder. Good. Using the brush again, I'm just going to press this on top. You can't say, oh, what you use, I need to use that, and then when you don't get the same result, you get upset. Your skin is totally different, your skin asks you different things.
Yeah, your application, tools, technique.
Right. right? Because a man can pile on like 3 pounds of flour and him still look better than you, you know, because just the application and how you taking the time and do it. And it looks like it's a lot of pressure, but it's not, you know.
Where are you from?
Spanish Town. Born and grown.
Really?
Yes. I worked in St. Elizabeth for like
kind of in the country
like a year.
No man did make an impact.
Them used to like trouble me, so me sound like a little Tony. And then me just start sound like them.
Yeah, come here to me and say, no man. I said, I'm like, I'm going to trip on a floor. I said, trip on a floor?
Yeah, but that's what I'm talking about, girl, in real life. That's what I'm talking, that's what my mother talk. So we really talk weird. Say something, I'm going to do the blush first. Smile. I'm using this Iman blush that has been discontinued. I'm lucky. You find it, I'm going to use it. And put it up even though they don't have it anymore. So you go. This is like, this is my go-to look. So I'm just gonna base the eyes with gel liner.
From your wear makeup till now, nobody in your life has ever done your makeup.
I've always done my own makeup. I when I go to high school and I take graduation picture. You know what is makeup artist and who want this? I just do my thing always, for real. For real.
No, people like you know me and I never do your makeup.
Why?
I've never look up on your face, you must be mad.
What?
When you the murder, you have to say you're not this, not the way you want it.
What? Stop the foolishness.
No, not trick me.
Stop the foolishness.
You know, I'm going to put up a poll. I'm going to put up a poll right now in the video. I hope I'm not on anything. If you want me to do Monique's makeup on camera, on my channel, vote. And no matter, I should don't make sure
yes,
silence.
Yes, hey, watch how my friend I'm going to murder you.
Watch.
Yes.
When I can put up that poll, I can put up the poll. So let me know what you guys want. See?
Research. I remember you saying that when you started the business, that you had to do so much research, and there are persons who want to come to you and want to ask you, oh, you do that. And
yeah, I'm going to just tell them.
Right, and it's a lot of sleepless nights.
Okay.
And I mean, having it on your mind, like it becomes so overwhelming because it's almost like you just want to see it come to pass, and it is just like the amount of argument we have with my husband over the same thing, just because I really wanted to see it come to pass, and you never understand.
Right, money man, Jesus.
You know, I just said the two words, no, I have to make you know, because I don't tell want to tell you. You have a ear today. Oh, feel like. You have a ear. You have a ear. You have an ear that may tell you. Right.
Two things I love about your product: the packaging and the consistency. It's very rare that you find body glows, any glow in the store that's not oily, and it's also put off. You know, like I can understand it being oily.
But let me tell you something, girl. Do you know that's actually a setting spray? Do you know that it's actually a setting spray, girl? Do you? Yeah, I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna use it. Yeah, it's a setting spray body glow. It's everywhere. Okay?
It's just multi.
Yes. That's why I said I wanted it to be versatile so that everybody can use it. You're not the type of person who wants to put it on your face, girl. You just be a night. Just straighten your bath water and lie down. You know?
Monique, you have something beautiful. The bottle is gorgeous. Even
I do very light brows. Like the brows are the least right now. It's almost like them ignore the whole purpose of what they're doing.
Purpose. And it's actually to be shocked because on YouTube people normally miss purpose. That's what they miss. Purpose. I should not be shocked at all.
Hydrating glow mist, and what it is really, it's a setting spray and a highlighter in one. So it sets the makeup, but then adds like light reflecting properties. Highlighter. Right? So I'm just gonna go in with this shade all over. This is honey, right? So this has like a golden undertone. I'm gonna give this all over first. Turn away the phone.
He's wearing a headband. You can go about the headband.
You can spray as much as you want and build. I mean, fine. So I'm gonna then go on top with Glorious, and Glorious is for a darker skin tone. So what I'm gonna do with this one is to isolate the areas. So I'm going to isolate her cheekbone area, and I'm just gonna focus it right here. And this is just to intensify the highlights. And then you can just finish off on the chest area just to kind of match back with the face.
Here we go. We're doing makeup for the very first time. Monique,
oh my God,
makeup.
oh my God.
Are you going to cry?
Yeah, me go dead. I'm dead.
What? Oh, Jesus of His mercy.
Yes.
Guys, are you seeing the glow? Is reflex?
Yeah.
Is glitter or eyeshadow?
It's actually a pigment. It's like a glitter pigment. Very fine.
Jesus. Yo, this is so different, Monique. Ooh. Ooh, this is cute. Oh my God.
And then the glow sets in and it's like incredible.
Nice, nice. Nice, Monique. What's your face? Oh my God. Is it nice? Again, you guys, this is Monique from Mon2Quite. I was called Mon2QuteMUA. That's her Instagram handle.
Mon2Cute.
Mon2QuteMUA. No, that's Mon2Quite. So Mon2QuteMUA. Slayed my face. All my confidence is in her. We have a couple more artists that we're going to showcase, but I want to guys to give Monique a round of applause. She did the damn thing. You guys, I never do stuff like this so much, and that's why I want to introduce these Jamaican makeup artists to you. And the male one out there, and them better than me are just as bad as me. That me not choose no girl underneath me. No girl. Kinda underneath me. Woman for that. But Monique, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So I hope she's rushing because I'm sure she has work. No.
Thank you.
Yeah, you guys, thank you so much. Thank you.